Well, good morning. Welcome to the Surferjo show with Chef Frankie. We appreciate you coming back. Well, the barbecue grills. They were rusty in the last video. I told Chef Frankie. I searched the internet for weeks. I thought we'd get a new Pit Boss pellet grill. Haven't received one. Thought we'd get new grids for the grill. None have arrived. But Chef Frankie said he took care of the matter. What's it gonna be? I'm gonna show you right now. On this nice cloudy Sunday, this is what Chef Frankie brought us. A wire brush, some trash bags, and some distilled vinegar. Yes, I will be wire brushing the grids. So let me get it set up and we'll get going. Well, what you're going to want is some rubber gloves, safety glasses. You might want a mask as they aren't that rusty. We're going to get going. As you can see, I am brushing long ways. That makes it go a lot faster. And with the type of brush this is, it will get down into the grid holes, the grooves. It doesn't take a lot to do it, because afterwards we will be soaking it in vinegar. That's one done. Two done. We'll grab this one and do the back again, just to make sure. And that's it. You can see it is a dirty job, but it's not a hard job. And also, you can see how it does get the dirt and everything off. Now, here comes the one part. When we soak it in the vinegar, it's got to soak for days to a week. So, if you plan on doing any of that, well then, oil up the grids first, barbecue it, do this, then soak them. Let me get it set up for the vinegar. Welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. We have got the grids ready to go. So we got a half gallon of vinegar. We got more if we need it. A dirty wire brush that didn't take us long, and a grid tool to pick the grids up and down, whether they're cold or hot. Now, we got 2 heavy trash bags inside the barbecue. Why is this? Well, inside the barbecue, if the bags happen to leak, it will be inside the barbecue that was rusty, and hopefully it will help it. Also, in the bags, we use 2 heavy-duty trash bags, 30 gallon. Put them inside so they're going to soak. They're going to soak for a few days to a week. We'll be checking on it periodically. But you can see they're all sitting down in there, and we are going to put the vinegar in. We're going to pour the whole thing of vinegar inside. We are going to fill the Grates over what they are. That way there's enough vinegar in there to actually soak, and when the rust comes off, it has more room. Okay, you can see a half gallon does pretty good. Now we're going to seal this up. You can tie it airtight, but for right now we are just going to leave it like that. We're going to put our tools in here. We're going to put the wire brush back in here, because if we got a wire brush on it again, we want to make sure it's there and not lost. The grill still looks good now after we did the oil treatment of restoring the rusty old grill smoker barbecue. That video is up on our website. If you search among the over 200 videos that we have made over the years, you will see it. Okay, happy Sunday. Have a good day. I hope you're doing good with the pandemic and staying home because of this COVID-19. Stay safe. Be healthy. We all pray that you're doing well. Big changes are coming. Things are being added on. Chef Frankie was shopping this morning on the computer when I came into the office. More on that next week. This is the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. Please subscribe, button down here, like, button down there, and share our videos on our channel with everyone you know. When YouTube will let us know who our viewers are and how to contact them, we will be giving away free stuff to everybody. It does not matter where you live on this planet. We will be giving you free stuff if your name's selected. That's YouTube having to let us know who the viewers are and how to contact them. But to receive free stuff, you have to be subscribed to our subscribe to our channel. Alright, anyways, another video might be coming tonight. Not sure, gotta talk to Chef Frankie. Is the lighting. As you notice up here, there is not much lighting. Well, we will be taking care of that. Thank you, goodbye.